UP board result of the 10th and 12th. Here a detailed information is given as it is results of 55 lakh students. 55 lakh students, so listen carefully. Your results declare on between 19 to 25 April. 19 to 25 April, the result of the UP board is declared for 55 lakh students. Website, you must visit the website upresults.nic.in. upresults.nic.in. What you require? You must require roll number or school code. Go that website, there is a link is provided, click on that link and enter your roll number or school code, you get the result. So best luck for your result, and share this simple and very meaningful important information as it is a result of the I told 55 lakh students. 55 lakh student future result it is. So share and comment your roll number. Comment your roll number. Best luck for your result. Share. Thanks.